Welcome to the Discretionary Mutual Fund podcast series, an opportunity to dive deeper into the information already shared about setting up a DMF to replace traditional insurance for the apple and pear industry. My name is Richelle Zealley, and I'm joined today by Justin Niven, Managing Director of KJ Risk Group and DMF Specialist. Now, you may be thinking about the range of insurance policies and cover you currently have. So today we will focus on what can and will likely be covered in the DMF and how your other insurances might be managed. Justin, we've been able to look at setting up a DMF because of our industry's industrial special risk, or ISR, which is the EPS or sandwich panelling often found in cool storage facilities. Are you able to explain a little about this and talk about what would be included in the DMF coverage?
Thank you, Richelle. Yes, as we touched on in one of our earlier podcasts, one of the critical elements for the success of a mutual is scale. You've got to have a very big retention in order for it to be successful. The property insurance or ISR placements that you would all have as growers will be one of your larger expenses. When you couple that with the risks and the exposures that we've discussed you face in that space, that's the perfect place to start. It's the biggest pot of money and will give you the biggest benefit straight away. We would look to do property plus a machinery breakdown cover, and then also potentially a liability cover through the mutual, which would cover your main three business risks. There are a number of other insurance policies that you purchase. We'll touch on that a little bit later on, and they would be dealt with under group purchasing arrangements. The beauty of the mutual is that because you own it, we can explore product development. So if there's a type of cover that you used to have and you want to have again, Richelle and I found out from many growers as we did a road trip that they used to be able to buy netting, and it was there for 1 year, and then the first time they claimed on it, the insurers withdrew their capacity and the market for netting disappeared overnight. So we could obviously explore that within the mutual. Crop insurance is another one. That's probably too big a topic to bite off in this podcast, but we can certainly look at things like crop insurance and parametric crop insurance down the line as we get operational.
Fabulous. So it's also been suggested that some of the other insurances that businesses are purchasing, such as management liability, motor vehicle, travel, and cyber, would then be better suited to group purchasing arrangements. So they wouldn't actually sit in the DMF. Does this mean that businesses will then be left juggling numerous insurance policies from a range of companies?
No. The way that we would administer the program is to send growers a single invoice for all of the covers with one total. At the back of the invoice, we would then provide detailed breakdowns by each type of cover, whether it's a mutual or an insurance purchase. So the administrative process is actually a very simple one. And obviously our job is to try to make your life easier, not harder. We want to try to put in place group purchasing arrangements across everything that you do. And you can think of the mutual as one very big and very special group purchasing arrangement. But for each of those other classes that Richelle touched on, there are huge benefits to you buying as a group. You would already have a myriad of insurers on these different placements anyway. But what we would be trying to do is consolidate all of the motor vehicles, for example, with one insurer. From the 44 growers that we had respond to the survey, we were over 1,000 motor vehicle units just from those growers. So the size again and the scale of your combined pool is enormous, and we'll be able to negotiate excellent terms for you with that scale.
I'm interested to know that if a new asset is purchased, will businesses just need to contact the central administrator to then have that added to their policy?
Yes, it really is as simple as that. We will have one dedicated service team servicing everybody, and it will be as simple as contacting that service team with any query that you have. It could be adding or removing a car or buying a new asset, and that will be automatically dealt with by the team and appended to your policies.
That's really good to know. Thank you so much for your time today, Justin. It is a great opportunity for businesses to essentially outsource and then have that central administrator managing all their invoicing, renewals, and claims. And if you're interested in seeing how that structure might look, we do actually have a diagram up on the APAL website. So if you would like more information about participating in the DMF, please contact the APAL team or click the link associated with this podcast.